Hi, I'm Miss Allen, and I'm going to teach you the first 5 notes you're going to learn on the bass clarinet. Now go get your bass clarinet and play along. The first note we're going to learn is G. G sits on the second line of the treble clef staff. To play G, we're going to keep all our fingers on our home keys. G is an open note, so no fingers down. Here's a G. Remember to keep your fingers curved and use warm, steady air. The next note we're going to learn is F. F is on the first space of the treble clef staff. To play F, we're going to keep our fingers on our home keys, but we're only going to press down our thumb on the back of the bass clarinet with our left hand. Here's an F. If your notes squeak, make sure your fingers are closing the keys all the way. The next note we're going to learn is E. E is on the bottom line of the treble clef staff. To play E, we're going to keep all our fingers on the home keys, just like always, and only press down our left thumb and first finger on the first round key. Here's an E. Let's try playing those first 3 notes together. Great job! Our 4th note is D. D sits just below the treble clef staff. A friend of mine told me that D kind of dangles below the staff, and I've never forgotten that. To play D, you will need to keep all your fingers on the home keys, but only press down your thumb, first, and now your second finger. Here's a D. We're almost there. Our 5th note is C. C sits on the first ledger line below the treble clef staff. To play C, we're going to keep all our fingers on the home keys, but we're only going to press our left thumb, first, second, and third fingers. Here's a C. Did you notice that each note we learned was just adding a finger each time? Now let's play the notes together from G down to C. Excellent! Now let's play them from C back up to G. Congratulations! You learned the first 5 notes on the bass clarinet. Remember to sit up tall, keep your fingers curved, and use warm, steady air. Take your bass clarinet and practice these notes every day. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Always remember to do your best. Your best is always better than you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.